Welcome back to the Agenda Gap Facilitators Field Guide. Today we're jumping right into Workshop 2, Getting to Know Agenda Gap.
Yeah, this is a really important one. It's a 2-hour session, and it's all about really strengthening those group bonds.
Right, building on what happened in the first session,
Yeah,
and also setting up those community agreements, which are so crucial.
exactly. It's about creating that safe, respectful space for the whole program, but it's also, starting to connect the dots for the youth.
Connect the dots. How so?
Well, the big goal is for them to start seeing how, their everyday lives and social contexts, how that actually influences mental health.
Ah, okay. So moving beyond just individual feelings.
Precisely. And
Well,
getting them excited about their own power, their potential to maybe shape policy and create change down the line. It's about agency.
love that.
Well,
Okay, so practicalities.
Mhm.
For facilitators getting ready to run this, what's the key prep work?
Number one, definitely, is the tech check for the frame video. It's called Welcome to the Agenda Gap. It's on YouTube.
So preload it, buffer it, make sure it runs smoothly.
Yes.
Yeah.
You really don't want tech issues interrupting that piece. It's pretty powerful.
Got it. What else?
You also need to prep a summary of the AWE evaluation results from the last workshop.
Ah, the AWE survey feedback.
Yeah, and any anonymous compliments that came in. Sharing that back is really important for continuity. Shows you're listening, shows their voice matters.
Makes sense. Okay, so that's prep. Let's talk delivery. How do we start the session off?
We recommend kicking off with a weird habit share. Everyone does it, your co-facilitator, all the youth.
Okay. Why a weird habit?
It's just a quick way to sort of humanize everyone. A little vulnerability, sets a fun, informal tone right from the get-go, builds trust fast.
Nice. And then you mentioned a connect and open section.
Right, you look back and you look forward. For the look back, you'll do what we call a question waterfall.
Okay.
Basically, ask them how clear they feel about Agenda Gap so far. Maybe use a finger scale, 1 finger for not clear, 2 for getting clearer.
And emphasize it's okay not to know everything yet.
Absolutely. Stress that the program evolves with them. Then, for the look forward, just give them a heads up about the activities, 2 videos, a game.
And negotiate the break time.
Yes, definitely do that. Negotiating the break schedule gives them a little bit of control, which is empowering in itself.
Okay, so after the opening, we hit that frame video you mentioned.
Yep. This is where you introduce those bigger ideas, the links between power, policy, youth voices, and how all these broader things shape mental health.
And then discussion.
Just brief reflections. Don't need a deep dive yet, but it's often where you see the light bulbs start going on for the youth. They start seeing the systems at play.
Cool. Then it's activity 1, building community agreement. About 20 minutes for this.
Yeah, roughly 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's vital. You'll show the POP process video first.
AP.
Stands for purpose, outcomes, and preferred processes. It's just a little framework to help them think about why they need agreements, what makes a good agreement, and how they want to create them together.
So they're actively building it.
Totally. Get them brainstorming values and actions on a whiteboard or shared doc. Your job is then to synthesize that later into a neat 1-page agreement.
Canva's good for that, maybe.
Yeah, Canva's great. Then you email it out for any final thoughts. The key is they own it because they built it. That makes the space feel safer for everyone.
Makes sense. Activity 2 is a guessing game, like Pictionary.
Exactly like Pictionary. Another 20 minutes or so. This is purely about building confidence, encouraging speaking up, and just, having fun together.
And facilitators should jump in.
Oh, definitely. You should start it off. Pick an easy prompt like food you like or something. Encourage the silliness. Terrible drawings are often the best part.
Good to know artistic skill is not required.
Not at all. It's about connection, not masterpieces.
Okay, and how do we wrap up Workshop 2?
With connecting close, movement telephone. It's about 10 minutes.
Movement telephone. Sounds energetic.
It is. It's delightfully ridiculous. Gets everyone up and moving after sitting. It really helps if the facilitation team kicks it off as the leaders, again, to model being a bit silly.
Lowers the barrier for the youth to join in.
Exactly. And then, right at the end, make sure you leave time for the AWE survey and plan to follow up by email for anyone who doesn't finish it then and there.
Great. So this workshop really seems to lay down the relational tracks and start broadening their perspective on mental health and change.
It really does. It solidifies the group and opens their eyes to their own potential agency.
And thinking about that community agreement they build, it feels like more than just rules, right? How can facilitators help ensure it becomes a living document for the group as they move forward?
That's a great question to reflect on. How does it adapt and grow with them through the program's challenges and successes?